Hi guys! To see how I have completely transformed my eyebrows and make my whole entire makeup routine so much faster, keep watching! I just dumped out one of these capsules. Here's the empty capsule. I just dumped it in there. And then I'm going to use the developer, and the ratio is 50-50. So I'm just going to kind of, so I'm just going to wing it, kind of try to get a 50-50 ratio and mix it up. So that is the final consistency, like a paste. So I'm just gonna dip it in there. I just woke up, I haven't even washed my face, so don't mind if I look half asleep. So this is lighter than the other one that I normally use. Normally I use this one, 1000 Hour, and this is natural black, but I can't find it anymore on Amazon. So we will see how this one works. It makes such a difference. How thick my eyebrows look. And I've been using eyebrow and lash growth serum for about, I think 4, maybe 5 months. And my eyebrow hair and lashes have transformed. I do wear, I do my own eyelash extensions at home. I will link that below for you guys. I'll link all these products for you. But I still use the growth serum to keep my lashes healthy. So if I don't want to wear them and just use mascara, my lashes still look really good. It just saves so much time getting ready when your brows are tinted and your lashes look good. Okay. I'm gonna just use a Q-tip to even that out. And this one is only like 3 minutes that you leave it on. The other one, the blue black, I leave on for 6 minutes. So this one's only 3, so it's a lot quicker. And they start to get really dark. Okay, now I wait. I'll show you the lash growth serum I've been using. This is the Grande Lash that I use every single night, even with my eyelash extensions. And this is the Grande Brow. It has a different applicator like this. So when I apply it every night, I just kind of massage my brows, and then I draw down where I want the hair to, new hair to grow. And I'm having so much new hair growth. It's amazing. So this is my second tube or third. I think it's my second tube. And this lasts about 3 months. So yeah, it's been about five months maybe. And this kit I have comes with the Grande lips. which is so super moisturizing. I have a discount code for you guys, so I'll put that link down in the description box below. I think that's been about 3 minutes. I actually didn't time it, but I can see it already like starting to develop. For my eyelash extensions, I actually buy the Amazon 12 and 14 millimeter length, and I have 10s because sometimes I do a 10 like in the corner, and they're just like little clusters of lashes, and you just take each one and glue them on. I do have a video, I'll post that for you guys down below. And I bought their crimper, and like every day you can just crimp to make sure that they're staying on. I've got my lashes so they stay on almost 2 weeks, which is amazing. And for the glue, I buy the Lashify glue, but I don't use the Lashify lashes. I actually tried them, and now I feel like I like the Amazon ones better, and they are so much cheaper. So I use this bondage with charcoal flex from Lashify. Again, I'll link everything below. Then after that, I use the Night Bond from Lashify. And after that, I use the glass, which just kind of dries the lashes. I love them so much. Here are what the Lashify lashes look like, if you can see those. And the bottom part is like a little bit flatter. They're really so comparable, but like I said, the Amazon ones are so much cheaper. So I'm just gonna take a cotton pad, some water, and just wipe the color off. Comes off like that. So this, okay, I think it's a little bit warmer tone than the natural black. You see how easy that is? If you guys can see, like, hang on, let me dry this off. These are my favorite washcloths. They're bamboo washcloths. Again, I'll link them below. All of this stuff is in my Amazon store, or I will put the links for you. But like, look how much hair I have on my eyebrows now, you guys. And it's like growing underneath where I never had hair before, and it's coming in, like coming closer because my eyebrows were so far apart before. I really never thought this was possible. I tried black Jamaican castor oil. I tried like all different kinds of growth serums, and nothing worked. So now I finally found something that works amazing. So I barely have to do anything to get ready now because my brows are already nice and dark. My lashes are nice and thick. It looks like I have mascara. So all I do is put on foundation, bronzer, a little bit of highlight, some lip, and I'm out the door. It is so quick. I will link all of these products down below in the description box for you guys. I will also link the video of how I do my own eyelash extensions, and I only have to do them about once every 2 weeks, and it takes me about 15 minutes to do. It is just making everything so much quicker. I do not even know how I was wasting so much time before I got my eyebrows in check and started doing my eyelash extensions.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. You can also click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of every video that I upload. I hope everyone is doing well and safe and happy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.